point. The reorder point is based on a normal distribution of lead time demands. The lead time demands there should be a sufficient safety stock, because in the lead time we will have to serve the expected demands and the future demands. So if you get the stock out, we will have to face a risk of stock out. Single period model. Single period model is for ordering of perishable and other items with limited useful lives. Then shortage cost. Generally the unrealized profits per unit is expected. Then excess cost. Excess cost is the difference between purchase cost and salvage value of items left over at the end of a period. All these things comes under single period model. In this single period model, a continuous stocking level is maintained. That is, it identifies optimal stocking levels. Optimal stocking level balances unit shortages and excess costs. The another thing is discrete stocking levels. In this discrete stocking levels, the service levels are discrete rather than continuous. Here the desired service level is equaled or exceeded. So in single period model, continuous stocking levels and discrete stocking levels are observed. Inventory operations strategy. How to manage the inventory successfully. Suppose if you have too much inventory, really it is a costly to maintain it. In maintaining the inventory, you may face a lot of problems. So face the problems, try to eliminate the problems, be a successful man. Don't tend to hide the problems. The wise strategy is reduce the lot sizes. So reduce the lot sizes and order the material. Reduce the stock, safety stock. See, don't keep the safety stock a large stock. As per your calculations, you keep the safety stocks. Then you will be a successful manager of inventory. As a manager of inventory, you will have to face a lot of problems. You should be able to manage effectively and in a systematic way. Then only you will be a successful manager. As an inventory manager, you will have to manage hundreds of items. Theoretically, you will have to make segregation of the different types of material. This is the skills of the manager. What they do, they segregate the items like X, Y, Z and so on. So some of the item which you are seeing here, so every month you need it. These items they fix as some X items, and in these items they know which item they are going to exhaust at what time. So you should be able to reorder these things at a correct time. The same way Y items, these are also the same like this, everyday useful materials. You should know which item is going to be exhausted, and immediately we will have to order these materials. Then finally some of the items we requires oftenly or rarely. These rarely items we keep it some other name for that, and these items should also be managed properly. You should know when the demand will be created for this type of items. So these type of items are very important items. For an example, a machine is there. Take an example, a hydraulic press. The hydraulic press consists of different types of valves. Suppose if any valve gets damaged, the press cannot run. So you have to understand, you have to know that which part of this press is more essential and whether these parts are easily available in the market or not. Some of the items are not available in the market. Suppose if you order them, it will take 2 to 3 months. It means the press cannot run up to 2 to 3 months. So such type of items should be kept already ready in stock. Now this is the end of this unit. Hope, my dear students, you might understood well. If you still have any doubts, you can contact me on my mail. I will again discuss with you and I can again explain you. Thank you very much.